Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the second day of my 31 days of unboxings. You guys know, if you missed yesterday's video, please just check it out because it was une vraie pépite, as we say in French, like something like, yeah, like on the top of the cake. So today we will have some, so if you missed yesterday's video, it's about this beauty here, my vintage Chanel straw tote, beige, the thing with the sand and the water. A bag. This is a beautiful summer bag, so if you like it, just check the video. So for the second day, on reste en France, marque française, avec une histoire, avec un héritage. Let's switch back to English because otherwise it's gonna be a little bit complicated. But yeah, let's stay in France with another incredible French brand with an amazing history. And yeah, let me show you just a little bit of the dust bag. We will have some Dior today, but before that, let me ask you, because it's been like, I think like 2 years now, all the brands, they are all about like tiny little small micro nano bags. And some people, like some big YouTubers, which is not my case, but it doesn't mean, like, I think I have the same opinion, and we all know that, you know, fashion, it's all about this, like it goes, it comes back, and it goes and comes back. So voilà. Mais I mean, I lost my thought. I wanted to say, yeah, some people, like some big YouTubers, are saying that, okay, the era of the tiny micro nano bags are at the end, and we will see, you know, the big bags coming back. I think a woman needs a mix of tiny, medium, big, large, extra large bags, because, you know, it is what it is. And I do love like big bags because I just think they add something to your look. If you gained weight like I did, it can hide your belly, so it's always a good thing. And that's why j'ai craqué le slip, as we say in French. Yeah, I don't know how to say that in English, so let's skip it. So I just decided to buy something extra large from Dior. This is, I should check the ear of this bag, but let me show you. And it's they are quite similar with my vintage Chanel tote bag. Oh my god, I should store it better than this. Oh, I have the little pouch. Let me just take it off. I even received with the little pouch, so that's crazy. And of course, this is a, I don't know the year, so let's say that's a pre-loved or vintage bag, I don't know. So let me introduce to you, that's crazy. They are quite similar. Oh mon dieu. And okay, I think at the end of this month I might sell some bags, because I'm just saying that I bought the same bags. Let's not talk about it. So let me introduce you to my little, that it's not a small bag, XXL Lady Dior. This bag is huge and it is in pristine condition. Let me just, what the, is it, what is the, It's not supposed to happen like this. It might be, I don't know, I think it's another bag that I put inside this one. Oh yeah, do you hear that? This is bag number, I will unbox later, but yeah, this is another bag, so let's pretend it never happened. So this is my XXL Lady Dior. Nothing happened before, and she came with her original strap, which is super cool. And what is that? Oh, I even have like the booklet, you say? I don't know. And carte d'authenticité. Okay, so I have that. I have the date. Ha. Okay. 6th of February of 2010. Can someone help me read this? Like, here's the date. I would say 6th of February of 2010. And Lot Bussin DF, I don't know. And this is the original tag. That's great when you buy something pre-loved. So if this is from 2010, this is not a vintage bag, like it's only 12 years old and it's not vintage. Let me just packet it back. Okay, I will finish it later. So this is how it looks inside. It's a beige with the Dior lining. And this is a made in Italy bag. I know that some people hate made in Italy bags, but I never had a problem with it. So voila. And why this is a XXL bag? Because I did my research, and the XXL bags, I have the tag here, they have this one hook here and one here. So normally when you have like a mini or a small or a medium, and I think even a large Lady Dior, you will attach your strap here at the front and then at the back. So it will, keep the handles like this. And with this bag, that's crazy. Just look at this. I still have, can I show it? Yeah, I still have the original stickers. Like, I think the lady that bought this bag never wore it, because that's crazy. And look at this, the Dior charm is extremely, okay, well, oversized, like it's really huge. Well, coming back to the strap thing. So, as this is a XXL Lady Dior, you will be able to attach like this, which is nice, but not nice, because the handles, they are like, this is the thing I don't like about Lady Dior's, the handles. So I do really love this look, with the bandoulière like this, but I don't like the fact that the handles stay like that, so I don't know. And if I change it, let's see how it goes. Alors, yeah, so if you put, you know, like if it was a medium or a mini, it's nicer. It's a little bit better. Je sais pas. Not convinced, don't know. Oh my god, I'm shining like it's so hot. Yeah, so coming back to the oversized or mini bag trend, I do really like oversized bags for winter. I think they are, when you have like a super big chunky coat, you need a bag that will goes with this oversized chunky huge look, because if you have like a tiny bag with a huge coat, I don't think the proportions, they just go well together. And yeah, I just see myself this winter with caramel coats and this beautiful beige handbag. And she looks so, oh my god, you have my head here. And yeah, the bag looks so like almost like brand new, and it was a really good deal. I think I paid around 950, 1,000 for it. And for a Lady Dior, I think it's a really good deal because they retail for a lot, and I don't think they have the XXL size at the moment, and which is understandable because people are not buying this kind of size at the moment. But yeah, I really like it. Big spoiler, this is not going to be the last Lady Dior you will see in this crazy unboxing month. I bought a few Lady Diors. And do I wear my Lady Diors? Not really, but I just think this is a really classic and beautiful, timeless bag, and I really love the brand. I really love the history, and yeah, I think this is something to have in your collection. And I think this could be a nice travel bag. I mean, if you are just having maybe a day or two off, like, you know, going to Paris to eat some croissant and some macaron, and this could be a nice travel bag. I don't know, I have to test it this winter. And even like I'm thinking like, oh, this winter blah blah blah, but I think it would be really nice with a white dress, some loafers, a chapeau, a hat, and yeah, and you just live your best life. Yeah, I love it. I think I love it. I have to wear it. Guys, let me know what you think about this bag, if you liked it. I gotta say that I am a little bit upset when I see them together because they are quite similar, and I know there is another one that is coming that looks exact, like it's a mix of those two bags. And il fait chaud, il fait très chaud. Et ma carte bancaire, elle a vraiment chauffé, hein. Franchement, I just burned my credit card for this and I'm feeling a little bit guilty. I don't know. Bref, it's too late to cry now. Guys, let me know what you think about this bag. If it's a size or a style you like and would like, maybe you would like to add to your collection. And yeah, I see you tomorrow for the third video, which I don't know what it's gonna be. I don't know if we will stay in France or if we will go to Italy. And yeah, I don't know, I have to check it out. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next video. Bisous, bisous. I see you tomorrow, and yeah, bisous. Bye.